Hey DIY friends, is your sink draining slow, bubbling, or backing up for no clear reason? Before you reach for harsh chemicals or expensive tools, let me show you a simple, low-cost method using items you already have at home. This trick helps break down hidden grease, soap scum, and dirt inside your drain, and you can do it in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Prep the sink. First things first, we need to prep the sink properly. Start by covering the sink drain completely. You can use a drain stopper or any flat cover that seals the opening well. Make sure there's no standing water left in the sink. If there is, wipe it out so the surface is dry. This step is important because we want the cleaning mixture to go directly into the drain, not get diluted. Once the sink is dry and sealed, you're ready for the next step. Step 2. Make the cleaning mix. Now let's prepare the mixture. Take 1 egg from your kitchen and crack it into a bowl. Carefully separate the egg yolk and discard it. We only need the egg white for this method. Next, add 3 tablespoons of liquid dish detergent to the bowl. Any regular dish soap will work here. Now mix the egg white and detergent together thoroughly. Keep mixing until the solution becomes smooth and slightly thick. This combination helps bind grease and loosen buildup stuck inside the pipe. Once it's well mixed, you're ready to apply it. Step 3. Apply to the drain. Slowly pour the mixture directly into the sink drain. Make sure it goes straight down the opening. Next, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of baking soda right on top of the mixture. This helps boost the grease-breaking action. After that, pour about 100 milliliters of vegetable oil over the same area. The oil helps soften hardened grease and allows the mixture to travel deeper into the pipe. At this point, everything is working together inside the drain. Step 4. Activate with hot water. Now it's time to activate the cleaning process. Slowly pour hot water into the drain. The water should be hot, but not boiling. As the hot water flows in, it helps carry the mixture through the pipe while breaking down grease and dirt along the way. Once done, let the mixture sit for several minutes. This gives it enough time to loosen and dissolve the buildup inside the drain. Step 5. Flush and finish. After waiting, remove the sink cover. Now thoroughly rinse the sink and drain with clean water. This final flush washes away loosened debris and clears the pipe. You should notice smoother, faster water flow right away. And that's it. A simple, low-cost way to clean a slow sink drain using everyday household items. No tools, no harsh chemicals. Try this method whenever your sink starts draining slowly, and you'll help keep your plumbing flowing like new. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy DIY plumbing tips.